Gender, Religion, and Caste, Chapter 4. In the previous video, we have learned about federalism and its practice and decentralization in India. In this chapter, we will discuss about the three kinds of social differences that can take the forms of social division and inequalities. These social differences are based on gender, religion, and caste. In each caste, we look at the nature of this division in India and how it gets expressed in politics. Let us think about gender and politics. First, we will discuss about gender division. It is a form of hierarchical social division. It is understood as natural and unchangeable, but it is not based on biology. This division is based on social expectation and stereotypes. It is believed that the main responsibility of women is housework and bringing up children. It is seen in a sexual division of labor. Let us see what is sexual division of labor. Sexual division of labor is a system in which all work inside the home is either done by the women of the family and or organized by them throughout the domestic helpers. It means women do all work inside the home, such as cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, tailoring, looking after children, etc. Men do all the work outside the home. The result is women constitute half of the humanity, but their role in politics is minimal in most societies. The radical women's movement aimed at equality in personal and family life are called feminist movement. Indian society is a male-dominated patriarchal society. Women face disadvantages, discrimination, and oppression in various ways. The literary rate of women is only 54% as compared with 76% among men. The child sex ratio is 933 in our country. The proportion of women among the highly paid and valued job is still very small. Indian women work 1 hour more than an average man every day. Yet, her work is not paid and often not valued. Equal Wages Act provides that equal wages should be paid to equal work. However, in sports, cinema, factories, and fields, women are paid less than men. In many parts of India, parents prefer to have sons and find ways to have the girl child aborted before she is born. This leads to decline in child sex ratio. They are not safe within their home from beating, harassment, and other forms of domestic violence. Let us see what is patriarchy. A system that values man more and gives them power over women and family is ruled by father is known as patriarchy. The society that followed this system of male domination is patriarchal society. The portion of women in legislature is also very low, less than 10% in Lok Sabha and less than 5% in state assemblies. The only way to solve this problem is to make it legally binding to have a fair proportion of women in the elected bodies. This has resulted in 10 lakh women representatives in the local government bodies. Women organizations are demanding reservations of at least 1/3 of seats in Lok Sabha and state assemblies for women. Now, in next video, we will learn about religion, communalism, and politics. Thanks.